friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. Today I give review on Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any videos and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So when I shopping from Nykaa, I saw this Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream during one of my random purchases. I have used Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer earlier in my school days. It has been my favorite for few years, especially in winter. So I thought this time let's give try to this product, which is Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream. So the price of this product is rupees 100. But I bought this product from Nykaa at rupees 75 in Nykaa sale. So the shelf life of this product is 2 years and the quantity of this product is 50 gram. The ingredients are all mentioned here and it claims that Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream, a whipped cream formula which seal in moisture for 24 hours to give you soft glowing skin. And there is a uses how to use this product is also mentioned here. So it comes in a pearl white plastic top pack. It doesn't have any other outer carton. It has also no inner lid like other Patanjali moisturizer have, because inner lid provide to avoid product spillage. So I'm not happy with the packaging. It's kind of cheap. I have used many cream from this brand which come in classic jar packaging with inner lid like Lakme spotless whitening cream. It looks so unhygienic because you have to dip your fingers and use it over your face. So I didn't like it. This cream is light pink in color, as you see, and has a whipped cream like consistency. The texture of the cream is not too thick, not too runny. The fragrance is same as the Lakme Peach Milk moisturizer. When you massage this cream over your face and neck, it just gets absorbed easily. There is no white cast on your face. It feels light on your skin and your skin feels soft and well moisturized. It stays for 8 to 10 hours. It keeps my skin oil free because it is non-greasy product. So it can also use as a base for your makeup. As winter is here, so my skin is showing signs of dryness, so I use this cream daily and I love its mild fragrance and staying power. It claims it suits for all skin types, but I think dry skin beauties will not like it because it makes your skin dry as compared to oily skin people like me. Oily and combination skin beauties can give it a try. It is a decent day cream, but there is no SPF and it has paraben. So this is one of the main cons of this product. Overall, it is a nice product. I am happy with Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream and I will repurchase it again and definitely recommend this to everyone. I am not so impressed with the packaging, but it's okay for this price. It is a value for money product. I give 4 out of 5 to this product. So hope you like my review on Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. And thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.